Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Fujifilm X100F, a camera that promises photographers unparalleled versatility. The kit we have here is an extensive package, and we'll explore each component, starting with the camera itself. The Fujifilm X100F boasts innovative features, including a built-in ISO dial, an intuitive focus lever, and a unique C position for easy exposure compensation adjustments. These additions enhance your creative control and make shooting a breeze. Now, let's talk accessories. The leather case not only adds a touch of elegance but also ensures your X100F stays protected on your photographic adventures. The 64GB Transcend SDXC card provides ample storage for high-resolution photos, and the extra NPW126S battery ensures you won't miss a moment. Charging is hassle-free with the rapid multi-voltage charger, perfect for on-the-go photographers. The Vivitar SF4000 Slave Flash and HFTR59 tripod are valuable additions for low-light scenarios and steady shots, respectively. The lens kit, featuring a 2.5x telephoto and 0.45x wide-angle lens, expands your creative possibilities. The 12-color gel flash filter set adds a splash of color to your shots, and the AR-X100 adapter ring and hood provide added functionality. Practical accessories like lens cleaning tools, a memory card reader, and a storage case complete the package. The X100F, coupled with this comprehensive kit, is a powerhouse for photographers seeking flexibility and convenience. In summary, the Fujifilm X100F kit delivers on its promise of versatility, offering a complete solution for both enthusiasts and professionals. Stay tuned for some stunning photo samples in our upcoming videos. Until next time, happy shooting! Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.